to manufacture a flexible framed duct connector in less than 5 minutes. Yes! With our Duroflex-Profile-System, you can do it too. Because our Duroflex-Profile-System, DPS for short, allows you to manufacture your own flexible framed duct connectors, also known as compensators. The system represents the latest state-of-the-art and enables you to assemble airtight fittings in just a few minutes. And all this without special tools or trained professionals.
With these two processing aids, any of your employees can independently manufacture custom-made compensators after a short training session, and all in less than 5 minutes. We provide you with a pneumatic press for securing the corners and a semi-automatic plastic welding machine for sealing the bellows.
For production, you only need the following 3 materials, which you can also obtain from us. Profile in 20 or 30 mm profile widths, matching insert corners and endless bellows. And now we will show you in real time how quick and easy the manufacturing is. First, the profile is cut to the desired length using a conventional metal saw. The assembly of the frames from the freshly cut profile strips and the matching corners is completed in just a few steps. Next, the frames are pressed together at the corners using the first processing aid. Now, the bellows, which has already been cut to the desired length, is permanently and tightly welded at the joints, using our second processing aid, the plastic welding machine. Finally, the bellows is manually pressed into the frame. The sealing lip of the bellows fits perfectly into the groove of the profile strips. Done! In less than 4 minutes. We also have the matching shipping clips for perfect shipping. Would you also like to benefit from this fast and effective solution for the economical production of elastic duct connectors in such a short time? We offer you a free demonstration at your location, so you can see for yourself the quality and ease of use of the system. Key advantages summarized. Production time, less than 5 minutes. Cost saving. Highest tightness class, C, with test certificates. Short overall lengths. Stackable. Safe for transport. Top quality. Long service life. Free demonstration at your location. The investment pays off after a short time. Contact us. Click now on the link below in the video description and let us know your preferred date. This is your chance. The investment worth it after a short time.